channel. My name is Sanjana, and in this particular video I'll be sharing with you guys the secret of my long hair. Before starting off with the video, I want to tell you guys that this video is a requested one by one of my viewers. Her name is Riya Mehta. Okay, let's start off with the video. So guys, in this particular video I am gonna share with you guys the two most effective home remedies which I use on my hair. In the second part of the video I'll be telling you guys how to prepare these home remedies. Okay, and also I'll be telling you guys what is the outcome of applying this home remedy. In the last part of the video I'll be sharing with you guys some of the really informative things, and those things are really important for you guys to know. Okay, if you find this video really informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. The first remedy which is coming is a magical oil. Okay, let's just check out the video. I'm taking this stem, I'll pull it from here and just drag off all the leaves together like this, so it becomes really easy. From the upper part, just take off these two leaves, drag them like this. Now after washing these leaves, we will just take them one by one, put it in a grinder like this. I'm also adding a little amount of water in this to make it a paste. Just close the lid and grind it well. Now I have taken a container, have put some water in it, and using this double boiler method will make our neem paste. Okay, so I'm putting one container in it. I'm just slowing down the flame, and now I'll be adding in 2 spoons of coconut oil. Just mix it really well. Guys, I've added 2 more spoons of oil in it. Okay, now we'll keep stirring it and we'll take it out when it turns dark green. I have taken this off from the burner. We'll just sieve it off one by one spoon at a time. Okay, like this. So guys, this much amount of oil I have got out of those leaves. Okay, do it like this and apply it on your scalp like this. Do it for your entire scalp. Okay, just give it a good massage. Now I've taken it. This is really effective, I tell you. This is very effective. You leave it for an hour and then you wash it with a mild shampoo. Hair looks, look, they're all washed and so healthy, so thick and so healthy. Look how thick and how amazing my hair are. This is the result of neem oil. Okay, look, they are so thick and so heavy. Just have a look. And all black. I hope you guys like the remedy of neem oil. If you find it really nice, do try it at home. Okay, try it on your hair at least for once, and see what is the outcome coming on your hair. If you're having hair fall or dandruff, go for neem oil. It is really effective, I tell you. It is really nice. Okay, because I have been using it, so I am recommending it to you. Done. Okay, so next remedy which is coming your way is rice water. I hope you know about Yao women of China. If you do not know about them, then you should definitely go and Google it. Yao women have the longest hair in the entire world. Okay, so this remedy of rice water they use. This is the outcome of using rice water. They are so smooth and really black. All the hair are really black. I'll show you guys how to prepare it. Just go and watch it and see what is the outcome of it. So for making rice water, this much amount of rice I have taken. Alright, approximately 1/4 cup. Okay, then I'm adding water in it just to wash it, so that if there is any dirt or anything else, it can just be removed. And now just throw this water away and keep the remaining rice and add water in it. Leave it like this for about 20 minutes. Guys, it's been approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'll be transferring these rice and rice water into this container. Okay, you can take any container with a lid. Look guys, I have transferred all the rice with the rice water into this bottle. I'll completely fill this bottle with water. Okay, I am using mineral water. You can use any water of your choice. Look, it's done. I will store this for 24 hours. Best results you'll get if you do this fermentation for a week. Also guys, one more thing, instead of white rice, you can use any other rice if you don't have white rice. So guys, what am I doing is, I'll take a little bit in my hand. Okay, we will just apply it on my scalp like this. Keep this for an hour in your hair and then rinse it with a mild shampoo. And I am gonna do it for you guys, and I'll show you what are the after effects of it. I have washed my hair and they're completely dried as well. You can see how shiny they look, how shiny they are. They're completely done. You can see the shine, how beautiful they look. I hope you guys really found this remedy of rice water effective. Let's move on to the last part of the video. Some of the really important things which you guys need to keep in mind. So first one is washing. How to wash your hair. First and the prior most thing is wash your hair with cold water. Never use warm water for your hair. Even if it is really cold weather outside, never go for warm water. If you want, you can use lukewarm water, but prefer cold water for your washing of the hair. Okay, next is nourish your hair with oil 1 hour before washing or 2 hours before washing. That's it. Idea is to tell you guys not to wash your hair without oiling. When I was there living in Noida, it happens at times that I don't have neem oil handy with me. So what I do is I take a simple normal coconut oil and I apply it on my hair before washing it. So the idea is that if you do not have neem oil or rice water with you or any other home remedy with you which you use it for your hair, then go for normal coconut oil. And the one which I use, I am gonna just give it in the description box below. You can check it out. If you want to use that, you can just go and buy it for yourself. Okay, so guys, the next thing the which I want to tell you guys is about combing. Okay, so when it comes to combing, first of all, I want to tell you guys that keep a separate comb for yourself. Never ever share it with anyone, please. That's a big hygienic thing which you can do for yourself. Okay, never share your comb with anyone, because I have a reason for that. Suppose if you are sharing someone else's comb for your hair, you never know what all germs they are carrying in their hair, right? They get transferred to yours. This is a big reason for lice transferring. You have to keep it away. If you want to keep those lices and germs away from yourself, please keep a separate comb for yourself. Never share it with others. Okay, never share it with other girls or whosoever it may be. Now, next most important thing which you guys need to keep in mind: avoid combing when your hair are wet. You can comb it when your hair are dried completely or they are semi-dried. Okay, so this is a really important thing you need to keep in mind. Never comb your hair when they are wet, because at that times the roots are really moist and there are the chances of getting hair fall, a lot of hair fall. Okay, yeah, whenever you're combing your hair, no, start combing from the ends first. Start combing your hair from the ends and then come gradually towards the roots. Okay, I have a video for you guys on this. You can just watch it. You need to hold your hair like this, make it a knot like this with your finger, and start combing from the ends first. Look, I think I don't even need a conditioner for that matter. Even I don't use any conditioner. So this is the outcome of rice water in your hair. Okay, yeah, this is done. Look. So guys, I hope you understood how to comb your hair. Now, one really important thing which you definitely should keep in mind whenever you go for a head wash, whensoever you go for a head wash, make it a habit to wash your comb whenever you go for a head wash. Okay, I have made another video on this topic as well, you can watch it. So guys, what you need to do is you have to take a brush which is no more in use, and the brush which you use to just clean and all. Now what you have to do is you have to take your comb and a brush and just take a little bit of soap, okay, and apply it on the comb. Clean it like this. Every time you wash your hair, you have to clean your comb. Do it like this. That's it. Clean the brush and clean your comb with the water. And this is done. This is absolutely clean, you can see. I hope you understood how to wash your comb. Keep everything neat and clean. Okay, your body loves hygienic things, right? So yeah, one more thing guys, when it comes to hygiene, I want to just tell you people that when you're keeping a separate comb for yourself, then you should also keep a separate towel for yourself. If you are 4 or 5 members in your family, then those all those five, 4 or 5 members should have a separate towel and a separate comb. Please, even if you are family members, don't share your towel with anyone, don't share your comb with anyone. Okay, this is something of a good hygiene. You should, definitely practice this thing in your life. Understood? Okay, so next it comes to food. Take a really balanced diet, okay, and a really healthy food. You can, of course, you can go for those things which give you a lot of vitamins, minerals. So you can go for basil seeds, you can go for coconut water, nariyal pani you call it. So then you can go for curry leaves also. If you want, I can make a separate video on what all things you should, have it in your diet. If you cannot afford it daily, then you should definitely twice a week or once a week you should definitely have it. Coconut water is really beneficial for your health. It has a lot of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, electrolytes. So the next thing which comes is that always be optimistic in life, guys. Always be happy, no matter what not tensions or what not stress you have. Always be happy, because stress is the main cause of hair fall. Okay, I hope you understand. So be happy, nothing is gonna just kill you, nobody is gonna kill you. Stay happy in your life. One more thing I would like to tell you guys, that the secret of my long hair is also, this also counts, that I don't go for trimming and all. It's been almost 5 to 6 years that I have trimmed my hair. I don't go for trimming. Why? Because I don't have split ends. Okay, I do not have split ends. And when I used to have split ends, no, I came to know about rice water. I have used rice water, and rice water is the thing which is really effective in keeping you away from split ends. So this is also one of the reasons why my hair are long, because I don't go for trimming. I don't need that. I don't need trimming at all, because rice water is the thing which keeps my hair up to date. Okay, so that's all for the video, guys. If you guys want me to make a separate video on what all things you should eat and what all diet you should take for your hair, I can make it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to know it. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, guys. Stay away from corona and all. Stay safe in your place. And if you found this video really effective, give it a like, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.